What's up, boys? C3 checking in. Give you guys a little stash update. What I have left over. I had to pull this baby out of the garage. Give you guys a better look. Just got that back there. We'll start over here. A couple boxes at OG's. Couple B&Bs. We got a zombie. Wake the Neighbors. You guys know what that is. Got a Tsunami. Galaxy Buster. Hunter Shot Barrage. We'll go over here. Got a Not PETA. Got a couple of those left over. We'll call that Rainbow. Top of the line. Gator. Hunter Shot. We got Raining. Playing Field. And we got Revenge. We got a Walkers. I think that one is Infinity. Got a Four Seasons pickup. I was just down in Florida. Checked in over there. Made a little pickup on a road trip. Came back with a Mermaid. Zombie Apocalypse. Black Magic. Got a Rage. And we got the Zombie shells. Those are pretty good. Shout out Pyro Stevie. You put me onto these guys. I got a bunch of smaller stuff in there. I'll take them out. No Mercy. Shock Therapy. War of Worlds. Beyond Control. We got a Nightmare. I'm gonna cover that up. You know what that is? The other guys are pretty cool. I'm gonna do a wholesale order. They got some good stuff. Unfortunately, they're not up north, but we'll keep going here. Maximum Insanity. I got a handful of 76 Pro Line Nishikis, 9-shot. Man, the spread on these, let me tell you guys, if you haven't had these, if you see them, pick them up. I mean, the willows were just touching the ground. They were coming back down. It was crazy. These are, I'm definitely getting more of those. There's the other Not PETA. We'll call these Minions. A couple of those. Feel the Blast. 18 car pileup. Perfect Storm, and I got a Willow Explosion left over. In the back for the big boys, we got the Weeping Willow, Kong, Winda, Mother of All Bombs. And we'll come over here. Look at the loose cannons I got left. Bunch of OGs. Be careful what I got here. There's all your bangers up here. You know what those are. I think these are pennies and these are zombies. I got some Pyro Nation Jawbreakers left over. I think these are Thunders. Couple boxes of Nishiki Blast. This is my OG Death Shells. Some big boy stuff. Yeah. It's my whole box of red, white, and blue 24 shells that I was gonna send up for the finale, but I didn't make it. Got some my Stinger stuff left over here. A bunch of tubes. So we're sitting pretty good. Obviously still gonna continue to pick up some more stuff. But yeah, let's say I got a